Trust Wallet versus Binance. Which is better? Trust Wallet and Binance serve different purposes in the crypto ecosystem. Trust Wallet is a non-custodial mobile wallet designed for securely storing, managing, and swapping crypto assets while giving users full control over their private keys. Binance, on the other hand, is a centralized exchange that offers trading, staking, futures, and margin trading with high liquidity, but requires users to trust the platform with their funds. Security. Trust Wallet provides full ownership of private keys, meaning you have complete control over your crypto. It's safer against exchange hacks, but relies on you to keep your seed phrase secure. Binance, being a centralized exchange, holds your funds in its custody, which introduces risks of hacking, but it does offer security features like SAFU, Secure Asset Fund for users, and two-factor authentication. Features. Trust Wallet support a vast range of cryptocurrencies and NFTs, allowing users to stake, swap tokens via DEX, and interact with DeFi applications directly through its built-in dApp browser. However, it lacks advanced trading features. Binance excels in this area, offering spot trading, futures, staking, and even fiat on-ramps for buying crypto with traditional currencies. It also has its own Binance Earn for passive income opportunities. Ease of use. Trust Wallet is straightforward. Download the app, create a wallet, back up your seed phrase, and start using it. There are no KYC requirements, making it ideal for privacy-focused users. Binance, while feature-rich, requires account creation, identity verification for full access, and has a steeper learning curve for beginners due to its advanced trading options. Who should use what? If you prioritize full control, decentralization, and secure asset storage, Trust Wallet is the better choice. It's ideal for long-term holders, DeFi users, and those who want to avoid centralized risks. If you're an active trader, need deep liquidity, or want access to a variety of trading options and financial services, Binance is the better fit. Conclusion: the choice depends on your needs. Trust Wallet is best for secure, decentralized asset storage and DeFi access, while Binance is superior for active trading, earning, and fiat conversion. If you prefer control, go with Trust Wallet. If you want convenience and advanced trading tools, Binance is the better option.